To import DigitalOcean managed databases, start by creating a new database cluster in the DigitalOcean control panel. Navigate to the Databases section and click on Create Database Cluster. Then choose the database engine you want to use, such as MySQL or PostgreSQL. Next, select the cluster configuration that suits your needs, including the node size, quantity, and data center region. After creating the cluster, click on the Actions drop-down menu and select Import Database. You will need to provide the connection details for the database you want to import, including the hostname, port, username, password, and database name. You can also choose to import from a SQL file or use a connection string. Once you have entered the connection details, click Import to start the import process. DigitalOcean will handle the import process for you, and you can monitor the progress in the control panel. It is essential to ensure that the database you are importing is compatible with the DigitalOcean managed database engine and version you have chosen. You should also make sure that the database is properly backed up before starting the import process. Best practices for importing DigitalOcean managed databases include testing the import process in a non-production environment first, verifying the integrity of the imported data, and optimizing the database configuration for performance after import. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully import your database into DigitalOcean managed databases and take advantage of the scalability, security, and reliability that it provides. Remember to always follow security guidelines when handling sensitive database credentials and data. In conclusion, importing DigitalOcean managed databases is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few steps. With the right preparation and planning, you can ensure a smooth import process and start using your database in the cloud with confidence.